Hello Shiza.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. You?
I am also fine.
Hi Shiza. What are you doing here?
Hi. We are old friends with my friend Zoya.
Hi Zoya. Hi. How are you? I am fine. You? I am also good. Let's go my home.
Okay, let's go.
Can I bring some water? Yes, Aisha.
We are so thirsty. What are you doing now?
I am a doctor in City Hospital
Where?
in Hyderabad.
Oh, how is it?
Yes, it is good. But what are you doing now?
I am a teacher in NHS
Where?
in Nizamabad.
Okay, that's great. Take it. What are you doing now, Aisha? I am a lawyer in High Court. Oh, that's great.
I am happy because I met my friends after a long time.
Yes, Shiza, I am also very happy. Can we go out today?
Where?
Let's go to park. Oh, that's a great idea. On 4 p.m. we should go.
Okay, we will reach on time.
Okay, let's have fun.
Okay, bye, Aisha.
Shiza. Bye, meet you soon.